friends, welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create a really easy, fun, super glittery purple and pink shimmer unicorn nails today. So we are going in with this gorgeous hot pink glitter shade from Double Dip. I am using a synthetic brush today, which I got from AliExpress. And this is a number 14. It works pretty well, I have to say, guys. I liked it pretty well. I've never worked with a synthetic acrylic brush before, and this brush was only $1.50, so highly recommend. Definitely not if you are beginners, though. If you are beginners, I would highly suggest to get a real Kolinsky brush. The price difference is pretty large, but it's much easier to work with, and it's also easier to clean. I found that cleaning this brush was pretty difficult. After I used it, I had to clean it twice in my brush cleaner. So we are going in now with this gorgeous purple sparkle shade. This is a fine sparkle. Absolutely love these colors, you guys. Super glittery, super girly, and super fun. So I'm just placing that on the nail, working it into the nail. These nails, you guys, are super fun. Absolutely love. You can never go wrong with pink and purple and glitter. So I'm just applying these on here, you guys. And if you guys know of any great brush cleaner that you use to clean your brushes, or if you guys have experience with synthetic acrylic brushes, please let me know down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. The brush cleaner that I'm currently using is by Nail Supply Glamour, and it's pretty good, but sometimes I feel like I have to go in 2-3 times to get out all the acrylic that is stuck in the brush right after my use. So let me know, you guys. Would love to hear your thoughts. And you guys, are these colors not gorgeous? My favorite color is pink and then purple, so I am in love with this nail shade. These colors are even prettier in person. They look just like liquid shimmer. So gorgeous. Gorgeous unicorn nails here. Absolutely love these colors together. Super gorgeous. And then on the middle finger, I'm going to be using these hexagon glitters. I got these in a huge box from Amazon, and these colors reflect all the colors, right? So we have green, blue, pink, super gorgeous glitter here. And to pick up glitter, you guys, super easy. You can either go in with your clear here and dip into that glitter, or you can put the clear on your finger and then go with the wet brush into the glitter and just apply that glitter right on top of the wet acrylic. Either way, you guys, works absolutely great. This glitter is just gorgeous, and I'm loving these unicorn vibes that these nails are giving me. Absolutely stunning. Nails always cheer me up, and this set just put it over the top. I was so happy looking at them. These colors, sparkles are just gorgeous. So I hope everybody is doing well, you guys, getting ready for Thanksgiving. Wishing everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are safe and doing well. Let me know down below. And you guys can see this purple here, super pretty. I'm absolutely in love with these shades, okay? They're just amazingly gorgeous. And I get so excited about shades like this. Anything that sparkles or shimmers, I am on board. So I'm just picking up more of these flakies, you guys, and I'm really just going crazy. I absolutely love this nail look. Again, these colors are just beautiful, and super highly pigmented, super easy to work with. Really enjoyed them. And you guys, if you're interested in any of Double Dip's colors, you can use my code GLAMNAILS20 for 20% off. Always love to save money. Great coupon code there for you guys to use. I will leave it down below. I will link everything down below, you guys, as I always do. And we're on to my favorite part, top coat. Oh my gosh, you guys. These colors look even more gorgeous in person. I don't think that the phone did justice in capturing how absolutely stunning these colors are. They are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous unicorn nails, almost like mermaid nails too in that middle nail. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the way that these turned out. I hope you guys did too. Please subscribe if you guys have not. I would love it if you would join us. I show you guys, as always, how to get easy and affordable nails at home, and I review tons of nail products. So please, please, please hit that button. Totally free, you guys. And those of you guys who are already subscribed, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single one of you, and it means the world to me that you guys are here. I hope you guys enjoyed these nails. I know I got super, super excited with these nails just because I love anything super sparkly and unicorn pink and purple, right up my alley. Look at that shimmer. Woo! You guys, these nails were something else. Absolutely gorgeous nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed them as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!